The story is The Old Woman and the Doctor. Once there was an old woman who lived in a small village. She had weak eyes and could barely see. She decided to visit the village doctor for help. Doctor, can you help me see again? She asked. The doctor smiled and said, Of course, I will treat your eyes, but it will take some time. You can pay me after your vision is fully restored. The old woman agreed. The doctor began visiting her house every day to treat her eyes. But he noticed something. The old woman had many valuable items in her home. So each time he visited, he secretly took one item with him. After several weeks, the old woman's eyes got better. She could see clearly again. Now that you can see, please pay me, said the doctor. But the old woman refused. I will not pay you, she said. The doctor was surprised. Why not? I helped you see again. The old woman replied, If I can see again, why are so many things missing from my house? I don't see them anymore. The doctor realized the old woman had got him. Feeling ashamed, he returned all the stolen items and left without asking for money. So, friend, the moral of the story is greed and dishonesty never lead to true success. Always act with honesty and integrity.